Hello everyone, this is Andrew and we're back with another video about the server stuff. Finally got the right battery, arrived. So now let's install it. Well, first of all, I need to open, of course, the cover and remove the fan array. Something like that. Here's the spot for the battery. Let's move a little bit of the cap, which is dead too, by the way. I hope there's not much of a dust. Let me check it. I've cleaned a little bit the dust from the server and now just pop it up. And that's all. The battery is installed. I'm really short on the RAM, so yeah. And so the battery is installed, server is in operation. Now let's pop up the missing internet cables and it should be fine. And I connected the power and it should start by itself. Oh, the error is gone. One stupid battery. I connected rest LAN cables. And now just wait till it pop ups. And that's all. That's how you install the smart array battery. Thanks for watching. See ya.